Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's learn the lesson Kagadada Doni. Kagada means paper, Doni means boat. Okay, Kagadada Doni, paper boat. I will read the lesson. You can repeat after me. Afrin ಮತ್ತು ಮೇರಿ ಕಾಗದದ ದೋಣಿ ಮಾಡುವುದನ್ನು ಕಲಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯ ಮಾಮನ ಬಳಿ ಬಂದರು. Afrin and Mary went to their neighbor's house to learn how to make a paper boat. ಮಾಮ: ಹೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗಾಗಿ ಕಾಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಮಾಮ told that, "ಹೋ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಕಮ್ ಇನ್, ಐ ವಾಸ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು." ನಾನು ನಿಮಗಾಗಿ ಕಾಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಐ ವಾಸ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಅಫ್ರಿನ್: ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ ಮಾಮ, ನಾವು ಕತ್ತರಿ ಹುಡುಕಿ ತುಂಬ ಹೊತ್ತು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಿದೆವು, ಕೊನೆಗೂ ಸಿಗಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Afrin told that, "Sorry mama, we was finding the scissors and we wasted lot of time." ತುಂಬ ಹೊತ್ತು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಿದೆವು, we wasted lot of time. ಕೊನೆಗೂ ಸಿಗಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫೈನಲಿ we couldn't find the scissors. ಕತ್ತರಿ means scissors. ಮಾಮ: ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಬಳಿ ಇದೆ, ಕೊಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಮಾಮ told that, "It's okay, I am having the scissors, I will give you." ಮೇರಿ: ಅಬ್ಬಾ, ಈಗ ಸಮಾಧಾನವಾಯಿತು ಮಾಮ. ಮೇರಿ told that, ಅಬ್ಬಾ, now I am feeling better ಮಾಮ. ನಾವು ಕಾಗದ ಅಂಟು ತಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. We bought paper and glue. Kagada means paper, antu we can call as glue or gum. They told that we bought paper and glue. ದೋಣಿ ಮಾಡಲು ತುಂಬ ಕಾತರದಿಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. We are waiting to do the boat. ಕಾತರ, we are very curious in making the boat. Katara means you can tell that curious or a anxiety. ಮಾಮ: ಸರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅನೇಕ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಕಾಗದಗಳಿವೆ. ಮಾಮ told that, okay, there are many colorful papers here. ಬಣ್ಣ means color. ಬಣ್ಣದ ಕಾಗದಗಳಿವೆ, that means colorful papers, okay, or color papers. Mama told that there are many color papers over here. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಕಾಗದವನ್ನು ಆರಿಸಿ ಚೌಕಾಕಾರವಾಗಿ ಕತ್ತರಿಸಿ. Mama told that you can pick whichever the color paper you want, and you need to cut the color paper into a square. Chaukakara means square. Kattarisi means cut. Mama told to cut the paper into a square. Okay, this is the first step, a square. You need to take a paper and you need to cut the paper into the square. Mama told that. Okay. Afrin: ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬಣ್ಣದ ಕಾಗದಗಳಿವೆ. Afrin told that there are lots of color papers. ನಾನು ಕೆಂಪು ಬಣ್ಣದ ಕಾಗದ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವೆ. Afrin told that I will choose a red one. red color paper. Kempu means red. Okay. ಮೇರಿಗಂತೂ ನೀಲಿ ಬಣ್ಣವೇ ಇಷ್ಟ. And Afrin told that Mary likes blue color the most. Neeli means blue. Mama. ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸೋಣ. Mama said that, okay, let's start now. Start now. ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ means start. ಮೊದಲು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಚೌಕದ ಕಾಗದವನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಧ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮಡಿಸಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಮಾಮಾ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು fold the paper, the ಚೌಕದ ಕಾಗದ. That means you need to fold the paper to the half, to the middle, ಮಧ್ಯ, to the middle. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಚೌಕದ ಕಾಗದವನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಧ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮಡಿಸಿರಿ. ಮಾಮಾ is telling to fold the paper correct to the half, to the middle. Okay, you can see this is the first step. It is a square and you need to fold the paper into the half. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಆಯತಾಕಾರ ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್ ಟು ದ ಹಾಫ್, ಮಡಿಸಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ಯು fold the paper to the half, it became a shape rectangle, ayatakara. See, rectangle, ayatakara. ಅದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ದಿಕ್ಕಿನಿಂದ ಮಡಿಸಿ. Now what mama is telling, you got a rectangle shape, right? Now you need to fold it from the another direction, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ದಿಕ್ಕಿನಿಂದ ಮಡಿಸಿ. ದಿಕ್ಕು means direction. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಚೌಕವಾಯಿತು ಅಲ್ಲವೇ? See, now it formed a small square. ಪುಟ್ಟ means small, ಚೌಕ means square. Okay, see, mama is telling that here it formed a rectangle, and again he is telling that you need to fold the paper from the other direction. When you fold the paper from the other direction, that is the third step, you can see it formed into a small square over here. Small, putta means small, chaukakara means square. Okay, ayatakara rectangle, square chaukakara. Mama is telling to fold the paper from the another direction. Okay, when you fold the paper from the other direction, it formed a square. ಮೇರಿ, ಹೌದು ಮಾಮ, ಇದನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದು ನೋಡಿದರೆ 4 ಪದರಗಳು ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತವೆ. ಮೇರಿ told that, yes mama, if we hold this and see, we can see a 4 layers. 4 padara. Padara means layers. Mary is telling that if we hold this and see, we can see a 4 layers. Okay, see, 1 2 3 4. If you hold this and see, you can see a 4 layers. ಮಾಮ, ಒಂದು ಪದರವನ್ನು ಅದರ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ತುದಿಗೆ ತಾಗುವಂತೆ ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಮಡಿಸಿರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಮಾಮ is telling that you take 1 layer and you need to fold that layer to the half. That is, it should touch to the edge. Okay, it should touch to the edge. Tudi means edge. See, I will show in the diagram what mama is telling. He is telling to take the 1 layer and he is telling to fold it to the half in the way it should touch to the edge. Tudi means edge over here as shown in the image. ಉಳಿದ 3 ಪದರಗಳನ್ನು ಅಂತೆಯೇ ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಡಿಸಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ, you can see 4 layers, right? 1 layer already you folded, and there are remaining 3 layers. Mama is telling that you need to fold that remaining 3 layers in the opposite direction, in the same way but in the opposite direction. See, in the opposite direction. This is the, here you can see they folded the 3 layers into the opposite direction. ಅಫ್ರಿನ್, ಮಾಮ ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳಿರಿ. ಅಫ್ರಿನ್ said that mama, I couldn't understand, please can you repeat once again. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳಿರಿ, please repeat once again. ಮಾಮ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳುವರು. Mama started telling once again. ಅಫ್ರಿನ್, ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥವಾಯಿತು. ಅಫ್ರಿನ್ told her, yeah, now I understood. ಇದು ತ್ರಿಕೋಣಾಕಾರದ ರಚನೆಯಾಯಿತು. ಅಫ್ರಿನ್ told that it formed the shape triangle. Trikona means triangle. When you fold it in the opposite direction, Afrin told that it formed the shape triangle, as you can see in this diagram. Okay, ಮಾಮ, ಸರಿ, ಈಗ ತ್ರಿಕೋಣಾಕೃತಿಯ ನಡುವೆ ಒಂದು ಸೀಳು ಭಾಗ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲವೇ? Here what mama is telling, that you can see a split in between the triangle. See, mama is telling seedu means split. Here it is a split, seedu. Mama is telling that, can you see the split in between this triangle? ಅದನ್ನು ಅಗಲಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದರ 2 ಅಂಚುಗಳನ್ನು ಎದುರು ಬದುರಾಗಿ ಒತ್ತಿರಿ. Again what mama is telling, you can see the split in between, right? You need to widen that split. Agalisi means widen. You need to widen that split. ಅದರ 2 ಅಂಚುಗಳು, ಅಂಚು means edge. You need to widen that split, and you need to press those edges in the opposite direction. Eduru baduru means opposite direction or face to face. Mama is telling that you can see the split, and you can see the split in between the triangle, right? Okay, now you need to widen that split, and you need to press the edges in the opposite direction. Vatti means press, anchu means edges, eduru baduru means opposite direction or a face to face. Okay, here, see, here you can see the split. Now mama is telling to widen that split, and you need to press those in a opposite direction. Press the edges, anchu, in the opposite direction. ಮೇರಿ, ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚೌಕವಾಯಿತಲ್ಲ ಮಾಮ. ಮೇರಿ said that now it again formed a square. It formed the another square, mama. Chauka means square. ಅಫ್ರಿನ್, ಅರೆ ಇದು ಮಜವಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಫ್ರಿನ್ told that it is very joyful. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. Afrin told that whatever you told, I did, mama. See here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, see here. ಮಾಮ, ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿಯೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. Mama told that you both did correctly. ಈಗ ಈ ಆಕೃತಿಯ ಬಿಡಿಸಬಹುದೇ? ಬಹುದಾದ ಎರಡು ಪಕ್ಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದು ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಬಿಡಿಸಿರಿ. Now what Mama is telling that ಈ ಆಕೃತಿ means shape. In this shape you can now you need to slowly open the edges. Pakke means sides. In this shape you can see the shape. Okay, akruti means shape. In this shape you need to slowly open the edges. Pakke means sides. Okay, slowly you need to remove the sides. Ibbaru are ಇದರೊಳಗಿಂದ ದೋಣಿ ಮೂಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತಿದೆ. Afrin and Mary told that Ibbaru means Afrin and Mary told that it is forming a boat. ಇದರೊಳಗಿಂದ ದೋಣಿ ಮೂಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತಿದೆ. It is forming a boat. ಮಾಮ ಸರಿ, ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೆರಡು ಬದಿಯ ಹಾಳೆಯನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಿರಿ. Now Mama is telling, okay, now you need to press the other sides of the paper. See, here they are pressing. Mama is telling to press the other sides of the paper. Hale means paper. Okay, now it formed a complete boat. Ibbaru ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಮ, ನಾವು ದೋಣಿ ಮಾಡಿಯೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆವು. Afrin and Mary told that, see Mama, we finally done the boat. ಮಾಮ, ನೀವಿಬ್ಬರು ಬಹಳ ಜಾಣೆಯರು. Mama told that you both are very clever girls. ಜಾಣೆ means clever. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ಮಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲವಲ್ಲ, ದೋಣಿಯನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲಿ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೀರಿ? Mama is asking that now it is not raining, right? Where will you leave your boats? ಇಬ್ಬರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯ ತೊಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಮಾಮ, Mary and Afrin told that we will leave our paper boats in our water tank. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ತಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಓಡಿದರು. Both Mary and Afrin happily went to their house. Okay, now let's see some of the words meanings in English. ಕಾಗದ ಪೇಪರ್, ದೋಣಿ ಬೋಟ್, ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ ಸಾರಿ, ಕತ್ತರಿ ಸಿಸರ್ಸ್, ಅಂಟು ಗ್ಲೂ ಆರ್ ಗಮ್, ಕಾತರ ಆಂಗ್ಸೈಟಿ, ಬಣ್ಣದ ಕಾಗದ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್, ಚೌಕಾಕಾರ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್, ಮಧ್ಯ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್, ಆಯತಾಕಾರ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್, ದಿಕ್ಕು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಪದರ ಲೇಯರ್, ಮಡಿಸಿ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್, ಹಿಂದೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ತ್ರಿಕೋಣ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಆಕೃತಿ ಶೇಪ್, ಸೀಳು a split, ಅಗಲಿಸಿ to widen, ಅಂಚು the edge, a margin of anything or a border, ಒತ್ತಿ press. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and if you want to see more videos on Kali Kannada Class 3, please subscribe to my channel.